Kitty driving on the bus. Funny riders making fuss. Pot of conch here and bumper there. Crazy chaos everywhere. Riding on a bus, go, go, go. But something's wrong, you know. No! 5 funny riders riding on a bus. The one jumped up and made a fuss. Jump, crack! Went the bus front light. Kitty called the owl in the night. Wolf said, sit down, please. No more jumping on the seats. 4 funny riders riding on a bus. Monkey danced and shook the bus. Boom, boom, wheel went flat. Kitty said, what was that? Kitty called the tiger right away. Tiger said, drive slow today. 3 funny riders riding on a bus. Bunny spilled juice all on us. Splish, splash, splash. Floor got wet. Slippery bus, you bet. Kitty called the panda bear. Panda said, cleat everywhere. 2 funny riders riding on a bus. Filthy barked and startled us. Honk, honk, horn got stuck. Loudest bus, what bad luck. Kitty called the parrot then. Parrot said, quiet again. 1 funny rider riding on a bus. Bear rolled down and crashed with bus. Door flew wide. Kitty said, hold on tight. Kitty called the bunny once more. Bunny said, fix the door. All funny riders fix the bus. No more chaos, no more fuss. Wheels go round and lights now glow. Kitty says, now let's go, Coco. Riding on a bus, smooth and slow. Happy riders steal the show. Kitty and Dino ready to play. Hide and seek the counting way. Numbers hiding, where can they be? Let's find them. 1, 2, 3. Count, 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 come along. Hide and seek number song. Rip, Mr. 1, Mr. 1, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding near one little tree. One jumps out, happily. Mr. 2, Mr. 2, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding near 2 tiny shoes. 2 pops out with funny move. Mr. Train, Mr. 3, where are you? Let's find him. 1, 2, 3. Hey! Hiding near brain, bus and bees. Hannibal goes, you'll go. Mr. 5, Mr. 4, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding near 4 funny frogs. 4 jumps over logs. Mr. 5, Mr. 5, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding near 5 shiny stars. 5 waves from afar. Mr. 6, Mr. 6, where are you? Let's find him. 1, 2, 3. Hey! Here I am, 6 silly sticks. 6 plays magic tricks. Mr. 7, Mr. 7, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding near 7 volumes. Taven sings funny tunes. Mr. 8, Mr. 8, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding near 8 top cakes. Malva does Mr. Four, Mr. Four, where are you?
Wow.
Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding near two tiny shoes. Two pops out with funny moves. Mr. Three, where are you? Let's find him. 1, 2, 3. Hiding near four funny stars. Hide face from afar. Mr. Six, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding near six silly sticks. Sticks plays magic tricks. Mr. Seven, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding near seven balloons and sings funny tunes. Mr. Eight, where are you? Let's find him. 1, 2, 3. Seven sings funny tunes.
Oh, no.
Mr. Eight, where are you? 20 and lucky old. The throat spin. Bang, does silly shake. Mr. Nine, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding near 9 toy cars. Hi, Mom. Can I see my shop?
Wow.
Pop, 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 pop. Pop, 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 bubble blast is deep. Pillows flying very fast. Kitty laughs, what is that? A splat. Baby shark turns rainbow splat. Blue and red and green go wow. Oh, no. What now? Kitty builds a bubble machine. Sparkly lights, rainbow beam. Baby shark jumps in with cheer. Best bubble party ever here. But suddenly pop, big surprise. A bubble hits his tiny eyes. Pop, 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 pop. What just hit TV shark? Can't believe it. First bubble turns him ocean blue. Baby shark says, is this true? So he looks like deep sea fish. Kitty laughs, make a wish. He tries to swim on floor instead, slipping, sliding on his bed. Second bubble pops out loud. Now he's red like spicy cloud. Baby shark starts spinning fast. Help me, Kitty, make it pass. He sneezes, pop, another
Oh, no.
hit. Now he's red and doing flicks. Sneak, 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 shake, shake. Green bubble falls from sky. Now he looks like jelly pie. Kitty says, oh, what a mix. Colors doing crazy tricks. Baby shark becomes rainbow bright, glowing in the dark at night. Suddenly the machine goes boom. Colors go mound. Kitty presses stop so fast. Yeah, bubble magic slows at last. Water splash, clean and bright. Baby shark turns normal light. Pop, 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 pop. Fight is done. Pop, 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 fun is done. Screambow chaos everyone. Kitty laughs, baby shark too. Rainbow fun for me. Best party ever.
Oh, no.
Kitty woke up feeling weird, dear. Something's wrong, I'm a bit feared. She tries to jump but goes up. I don't feel well, I move too slow. She sneezes loud. Oh no, Kitty, what to do? Sound! Friends all gather looking sad. Boom! Kitty feeling really bad. What? Dina runs in with Dr. Bag, wearing coat and little tag. Don't worry, Kitty, I'm here now. We will fix you, I know how.
Kitty, let's check your ears.
He checks her ears, he checks her nose. He looks at paws, he gently goes I see the problem clear. Too much candy, that's the fear. Kitty says, oops, I ate too much. Dino smiles, it happens much. Now drink juice and rest a while.
Thank you.
Soon you'll get your happy smile.
Kitty, you've come so far.
He gives a sticker, shiny star. Brave Kitty, you've come so far. He taps her head, says you're okay. Fever, go now, go away. Kitty starts to grin. Dr. Dino, you helped me win! She jumps up, feels super fine. Now I feel completely shine. Dino dances, clap, clap, clap. Kitty gives a happy tap. All is good, no more scare. Health is fun when friends care.
Feeling better now?
Kitty is happy, feeling great. Ooh. Dr. Dino saved her fate. Jump and sing, don't be slow. Healthy life is way to go.
I'm feeling so much better. Let's dance.
Yes, health is a grand victory.
Yay! Hooray for Kitty!
Ding ding bell, school is near. But something spooky appears right here. Mummy, zombie, witch and more. Knock, knock, knock on the classroom door. Step, 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 what a sight. Spooky school, but feels alright. Kitty walks into school today. Books and chairs are ready to play. But suddenly lights go flicker-a-glay. Something moves behind a sticker. Spooky, spooky, who is there? Funny friends are everywhere. Mummy walks in all uptight, but he waves and says goodnight. Kitty laughs, you look so funny. Mummy shares his lunch and honey. Step, 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 don't be scared. Spooky school is everywhere. Skeleton clicks his bones. Zombie groans in funny tones. They try to write on classroom board, but letters fall and hit the floor. Ding, 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 spooky fun. School with monsters is #1. Witch flies in on broom so fast. Sprinkles glitter all at last. Books start dancing in the air. Kitty claps without a care. Spooky, spooky, what a show. Magic school is fun, you know. Dracula comes with big smile, but he just wants to stay a while. He drinks juice, not scary blood, and joins the fun with everyone. Step, 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 dance and play. Spooky school is fun today. Ding, ding bell, school is fun. Spooky friends for everyone. Mummy, zombie, witch and all. Kitty school is the best of all. Kitty walks to school at night. Moon is glowing soft and bright, but the gate goes creak open slow. Kitty whispers, is someone there? Wind drip dress went everywhere. She steps inside, lights go blink. Chalk writes words before she thinks. Books start flying in the air. No teacher here, just empty chair. Suddenly, boom! Desk moves on its own. Kitty jumps, I'm not alone. From cupboard a skeleton pops. Bones go clack, back never starts. He sits down with a spooky grin. Let's start class. Let's begin. Kitty laughs, okay, this is new. Bones go dancing, clap, clap too. Cafeteria starts to shake. Zombie comes with hungry face. He looks at food, one big bite. Everything disappears in sight. Kitty shouts, hey, slow down. But zombie spins all around. In science lab, lights turn green. Witch appears like movie scene. She stirs a potion, pop goes smoke. Even chairs start to float. Kitty says, that's kinda cool. Coach just laughs, welcome to school. stops like no. Ghost just laughs, I'm your friend. Spooky school, no real end. Morning light starts breaking in. Everything feels safe again. Skeleton waves, zombie smiles. Cue it, witch says bye for many miles. Ghost disappears in air so thin. Kitty laughs, what a school I've been. Spooky school, but fun all day. Even monsters want to play.